Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel ABR. Today I created something very powerful, something that represents strength, courage and royalty. Yes, today drawing is about the king of the jungle, the lion. When we hear the word lion, the first thing that comes to our mind is power. But a lion is not just about power, it is about confidence, leadership, patience, and fearless attitude. And today, throughout this drawing, I tried to capture not just the face of lion but the soul of king. While drawing this line, I focused deeply on the eyes because eyes tell the real story. A lion's eyes are calm but dangerous, silent but dominated. When a lion walks in the jungle, it doesn't need to roar every time. Its presence is enough. That is real confidence.